Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to prove about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to focus on this one. So we have the formula in here. So we can apply this one, go to this one. So we simplified 8 minus 8, they cancel. B minus negative B, we have 2B. This one, that is 2A. Now we have the second formula in here. So cosine 2B, that is about this one, similar for cosine 2A. So this one we have 1 minus 2 sine B square. This one we have 1 minus 2 sine A square. And now we can simplify number 1 minus number 1, we cancel. Negative, negative, we have positive. So I will put this one cone here. And now number 2 divided by number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.